What's up guys, C2113 here, and in today's video we're going to be checking out what you get with a $1 face value junk silver grab bag from Amazon. Alright guys, so this did come in another box with other items I ordered, but I just took it out just for the video. But I haven't actually opened it or examined it closely yet, so I don't even know any of the years in there. But as you can see, it says $1 face, 90% silver, pre-65 US coins mixed circulated. Now, I paid $18 for this. The price may vary depending on when you see this. As always, I'll leave the link in the description. But trust me, I know that you're never going to get the best deal on silver on Amazon, and you're better off going with, you know, AppMex, you know, JM Bullion, or any of these other bullion dealers, or even a local coin shop, just because you're going to pay less of a premium, especially for junk silver. That being said, I wanted to see what I could get on Amazon, and especially considering this is something that they'll deliver same day delivery, at least in my area. So I was just curious what we would get here. So let's go take a look. So I don't see a $50 in here. So it's quarters. Let's take a look. All right, guys. So we've got, I mean, these are all rosies, so no mercury dimes or anything crazy like that. So we've got 54. And I actually found a 54 today, coin roll hunting. So let's see, we got, what is that, 64? 64 last year. 60. 48. We got a 51. We've got a 64 quarter, and then a 45 quarter. And then, let's see. We'll check the quarters too for mint marks. No mint mark there. And then we've got, that's a D. That's a D on that dime. On the so that's a what? 48 D, 51 S. We've got a 60 D, 64 D, and a 54 no mint mark. So all right guys, I mean, I don't know what else to tell you, but this definitely is legit constitutional silver here. And yeah, I mean, it's actually in surprisingly good shape. It's definitely not super worn down, you know, super slick coins here. I mean, I'll say that this 45 is decently slick, but I mean, you can read everything. The date is easily readable. There's even some detail left on the reverse here, and the 64 is in great shape. Not that I'm super concerned with, you know, any numismatic value necessarily with this sort of junk silver, but nonetheless, it's good to see, you know, coins that are easily identifiable as U.S. currency and not just super slick pieces of silver. So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you. It's a super short video, I know, but I just wanted to show you guys that you can actually find some decent stuff on Amazon, and it's not super ridiculous. Still, if you're going to buy any serious quantities, I would recommend going with a bullion dealer or going to a local coin shop. You're going to get a better deal. But if you're looking for a small amount of junk silver, let's say you're a couple quarters short of a full tube or something like that, or a couple dimes short of a full tube or something, you know, I could see this being a good way to finish that off. If you're just having a real hard time finding anything coin roll hunting. I know sometimes if, you know, you hit a dead spot in your hunts and you're just getting skunked day in and day out, this could be a way to just finish off that roll if you're really close. But anyway, guys, if you liked the video, be sure to give me a like. If you have any questions, comments, if you know of a better deal on Amazon for junk silver, definitely let me know in the comments below. Or if you've bought this and you had a bad experience, I'd be curious to know. And as always, if you want to see more videos just like this and many more, definitely don't forget to get subscribed.